Hello, Captain. Today we're removing the old boat name GITALONG and replacing it with a brand new name, Marry Me Daily. Removing old lettering is actually one of my favorite parts of the job. I carefully lift an edge with a razor blade, then use a heat gun to soften the vinyl as I slowly peel it away. Once the lettering is off, I remove the remaining adhesive and prep the surface for the new graphics. If it's a painted boat instead of gel coat, that's a different process for another video. Once the lettering is off, I remove the remaining adhesive using Goof Off, followed by acetone to leave the surface clean and ready for new graphics. I also like to look across the surface at an angle in the sunlight. It's a great way to spot any adhesive you might have missed. Older boat names can also leave behind what's called a ghost image from years of sun exposure. Sometimes a light buff is all it takes, and sometimes it needs additional work, like wet sanding. Every boat is a little different. After the adhesive is removed, I clean the area and polish it with Meguiar's one-step compound using a rotary buffer. It brings the shine back and leaves a clean surface for the new lettering. Throughout the job, I'm using the same tools I carry on every install: a heat gun, razor blades, plastic scrapers, Goof Off, acetone, microfiber towels, and a few other essentials. Having the right tools and knowing how to use them makes the whole process go a lot smoother. Now it's time for the fun part, installing a new name. This one takes a little extra planning because the lettering has to work around hatch doors, hardware, and body lines. That's why I always say, measure twice, print once, and slowly install. I did have one funny moment during this install. I accidentally dropped the ring graphic that goes under the name. Luckily no damage, just one of those things that keeps the job interesting. You'll also notice other people working around the boat. That's pretty common. Detailers, mechanics, electronic installers. We all work together to help get the boat back on the water. Another old name removed, another new story begins. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.